Well, I found it sa Facebook ads and then I inquired. And yung mga si Doc naman was very accommodating to answer yung mga questions ko. And then, yung syempre sa yung pricing niya, very affordable for the hair transplant. Actually, we did 2 consultations. One was online and one was face-to-face. Doc was very specific with yung mga mangyayari sa hair transplant, and she explained very well yung mga kailangan gawin before, after procedure, and yung mga most likely ma-feel ko na pain during the procedure. So medyo aware naman tayo, kaya medyo, very specific and very complete yung info na binigay dito. Right now, medyo kinakabahan syempre. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mangyayari, hindi ko alam yung talagang pain. And also excited. So, mixed emotions. Kasi medyo kinakabahan ako. Kaya nga, medyo sabi ko ayoko yung matakpan kasi medyo parang lalo ako nang didilim. Pero, excited rin dahil yun nga, we'll see kung ano yung igaganda ng hair natin after this procedure.